Good morning, everyone. Today is a very big day for a few reasons. First off, today I'm going to get to ride one of the most anticipated roller coasters probably ever, Iron GWAZI. They're having Platinum Pass previews today for the ride. So that is super exciting. So that's where we are right now in the parking lot for Busch Gardens, really far back. There's a lot of cars here and Preferred is full, which isn't surprising because everyone's probably here trying to ride Iron GWAZI today. Second off, today's Super Bowl Sunday, one of my favorite days of the year. So that's super awesome. And then of course, the Cincinnati Bengals are in it. Of course, my team is the Colts. They kind of flunked at the end of the year, so cheering on my hometown Cincinnati Bengals later on today. So it's about noon, I think, or it's about 11:45, 11:50, so in like 10 minutes Iron GWAZI opens. So I'm gonna get going so I can try to ride it.
Whoa. I told y'all I'd be back. Let's go. Iron GWAZI.
Iron GWAZI Day?
Yes, in Super Bowl. Bengals.
Joe Burrow. And this is our line. I don't know how long it is. I don't really know. It's pretty.
Where did Mark go?
It's at the entrance. So Peter thinks we're in line for the food.
We are. Also, doesn't Caden think that Cheetah Hunt is worse than Slinky Dog?
Slinky Dog dash to give Cheetah whatever a run for its money, and I will die on that hill. It was so boring.
Yeah, she likes
worst thing. Cheetah Hunt is like,
wow.
Got it. You need a Platinum Pass? Yes, but Cheetah Hunt is Mini Maverick.
Yeah, Cheetah Hunt is great. This
Platinum Pass.
It's dark. I think it's gonna storm.
What if they say no? You have a San Antonio Platinum Pass, you're canceled.
Yeah, look at everyone. Everyone's so excited. Opening March 11th. It's not March 11th. What are we doing here?
The reason we're not on the rise is because no one's moving.
Dude, it opens March 11th. What are we doing?
Today is March 11th, right?
Okay.
February 11th.
March 11th.
13th. Close enough.
Wow, we're in. It's above us. It is above us. Iron GWAZI is above us.
Oh, I just want to be on it.
We gotta go through the queue.
30-minute wait, honestly, not too bad.
Who knows how long the line is?
Wasn't it literally just sunny when we were saying Death Valley.
Theming. Ooh. Say who day, the Bengals win the Super Bowl. Alright, whatever. We're almost on.
I waited 2 hours to get assigned to row 4.
Yeah, there's like no space in the station.
There's gonna be better times on this in the future, I can see that.
Yeah, there's like no room in the station.
This is our first ride.
Alright everyone. First, so we got our pins. And we did just survive Iron GWAZI.
It's the best RMC.
The best number one RMC.
Even with the mid conditions we had, best RMC.
Yeah. We rode in the middle and it was very good. And let me see if I can redeem my ride photo thing.
I'm gonna get some insane rides on this in the back and front rows in hot weather with more room.
So that is Iron GWAZI. It's marked as a hour wait right now. There it is, guys. There's GWAZI. Yeah, it's probably about an hour wait right now, but it's pretty elite.
It's really elite, yeah.
Top 5, top 10. Who knows?
Isn't that great that it's right
it's
here in your neighborhood for the next few months?
Yep.
You're gonna have some fun times.
Iron GWAZI all day.
Take advantage of that because I would.
Oh no! Calm down. It's okay. Don't need to fight. Oh, Iron GWAZI's over there too. Okay.
Come on, you don't look big right now.
I don't know if it's working. All right, guys, I got the Tigress daiquiri from this place right here. But I had to get it because it's themed to Tigress, and Tigress is good.
Tigress is good.
But, wow, balancing.
He's like a seal.
We're failing.
What do you think?
It's so good. It's so good. We got one ride earlier today, and
right now.
that's it. It's down.
Oh, it's down. Oh.
Yeah, it's down right now. What'd you think? Do you love it?
It's good. It's probably the best RMC.
I think it
It's so
might be.
good.
I think it might be.
We grayed out.
I like the little wave turn thing there. That's awesome.
It is gorgeous.
How was Kumba's line?
It was
Oh my
gross.
God, one
It was
train,
gross.
we waited-
You wait 2 hours for Iron Gwazi?
Yeah, we waited almost 2 hours for this.
While everyone's here, what's everyone's Super Bowl prediction special?
Bengals.
I'm rooting for the Bengals, but I don't know.
Do you have a score guess?
I'm saying Bengals just for the sake of the vlogs. I want to be the guy that predicted.
Score predictions?
I don't have a score.
Let me think about that. That's not.
I have no concept of what a score should be, so I'm gonna say 25 to 17.
Okay, 17 was a good one.
Yeah,
I think it could be a fairly high scoring game, but I don't know what the. I'll go 20 and like 27. I think it'd be close.
I'm gonna laugh when it's 25 to 17.
I hope so.
All right.
It's not gonna be 25 to 17.
I'm gonna go with 31, 27 Bengals. 27 Bengals.
2017 Bengals. Book it.
Good.
Watch it. 2017 Bengals.
I love it.
Look at his stick.
You'll see the one man
Backing up. All right, cool. Iron Gwazi man, what's the score tonight?
Super Bowl prediction. Joe Burrow gets it done. 33 to 27. Last second touchdown wins it.
Jamar Chase.
Book it. Jamar Chase.
In the end zone?
101 yards. First touchdown of the game. Yes.
Dude, man's shirt is Iron Gwazi shirt getting signed right now. That's awesome.
What a day.
Dude, he's just on a signing spree.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I think I should take a shift for him. Just sign some
who
stuff.
I am?
Does anyone know who you are?
No.
Okay.
Almost back home. I need to go watch the Super Bowl. It starts in like 10 minutes, and this red light's taking forever, so I'm just trying to get there.
All right, here we go. Almost kickoff time. There's Mr. Joe Burrow, and I don't know, see if the Bengals pull it off.